Welcome to Shopify Mechanics.
For today's question, Dave wants to know how to activate tips on his Shopify POS.
How can I activate the tipping option on my Shopify point of sale?
That's a great question. Let's log into our Shopify POS and show you how to do it.
Start by logging into your Shopify point of sale terminal. Make sure you're using a PIN that has access to the settings. If you don't see the settings, then your account may not have the correct privileges.
Contact your Shopify POS admin if you need to upgrade your access.
Click on the settings in the left menu. Scroll down to the Tips button. Use the slider to enable the tips. The button will turn blue and expand to show the available options. These three values will be presented to your customers. You can simply click into any of the fields and adjust the percentage. Once you set the desired amounts, you can test the options by performing a checkout. Let's go back to the cart and add a product. Now we can perform a checkout. As you continue through the screens, you will reach the newly activated tip page. This is what your customers will see on the iPad. The values you entered can be seen here.
Can I also activate a custom amount?
You can optionally display a button for customers to choose their own tip amount. Let's go back to the settings and turn on this feature. Activate the custom tip amount using the slider. With this enabled, customers can now choose their own custom amount at checkout. Let's go back to the home screen and perform a test checkout. Now, when we reach the tips screen, you'll see the button for a custom amount. By clicking on this, your customers can choose a custom amount or percentage for their tip.
You can also specify minimum tip amounts based upon the order total. Let's see how to set that up next.
Another available option is to set a minimum tip amount based upon the checkout total. With this feature enabled, you can display minimum tip values until the transaction reaches the limit you specify in the field. We'll use $100 as our limit. Let's specify some values here, and then do a checkout so you can see how it works. In our first cart, let's check out with a value under $100. Now, when we reach the tips, you're presented with the minimum amounts since our total is under the $100 minimum. We'll go back to the cart and add more products to breach the $100 limit. You'll now see that the tip amounts revert to the standard values.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to send us your Shopify questions.